PA Patriot Prospecting, checking back in. A couple things here. My daughter Jessica said she wanted to see some cool rocks. Let me show her something. Oh, that piece could have some gold in it. See it? Cool rocks. This long hike. This long hike to a spot. Thick, baby, we're thick. Had to go back to the truck, get the bug spray for Lester. Look at him over there. He's over there in the creek under that tree. Good thing he ain't under that bitch. Widowmaker. Some wildflowers for you. My God, this trek is so long. Whew, am I ever going to get here? Stay tuned, folks, because guess what? We ain't going nowhere.
We ain't done yet.
That's right. We're going to fire that bad boy up. That bad boy. Right over there. In a little bit. And we've been working over here off this gravel bar ledge into this hole around here. And we're following it around. And then we're going to get in this hole. We're going to dredge all this hole out. As you can see, they've been working it a little bit. I'd like to swing my metal detector over this. I should have brought it from the truck. Lester, I should have brought my metal detector from the truck to swing over this stuff.
There's something to do.
While we're waiting. Oh, Sasquatch, if you're watching, shout out, brother. I got my Sasquatch water shoes. Check them out, baby. Get you some. You know where I got them? Marshall's. Let's take a walk, see what we got going on. Mushrooms, anyone? Hope there ain't no fucking snakes out here. We got the barbed wire line going. Concrete. I brought my 10-inch combo mat sluice box. But I don't think we got enough flow to run it. If we do, it'll be running very slow and the material will run real slow through it. Flow's kind of low today. Could probably dam it up though. What do you think? Some of this natural quartz laying around here. It's all over the place. It's in there. You know, I like the gold and all, but I started watching these opal videos. I think it's called black opal something. And it was shaping opals and stones and stuff. It was really, really cool, you know what I mean? And something that I could get into. And I heard the money is in the rocks, not in the gold and not in the precious metal, but in the stones and the gems, things like that. Ooh, we got some good flow up here, boys. Ugh. And lots and lots and lots of spider webs. Orange flowers, guys, check that out. Oh my God, I hurt my back so bad yesterday. Ooh. Ooh wee, man. It's not too bad if I don't bend over. I love going different places, seeing different things. Nature's awesome. What you got, Lester? Anything?
Yeah, I gotta go.
Lester's rolling something back. Said he got gold.
There you go.
Man, this camera's awesome. "16 times zoom, Lester, I can see you. Right in your pen what you're doing. I can see the gold."
See it up on, you probably don't see it. But
No, I can see it. I can see it with this camera. That's crazy. Look at that, guys. What a cool camera. I'm up about 15 feet, too. Nah. 10 feet. See that piece of shine coming up on top there? Yeah, baby. Lester's been working. I've been sitting in the truck, ailing my back. My ailing back. Yeah, Johnny and his buddy came back. He ran and still give us some oil for the machine.
they're going to help me get this thing running.
They're going to help us fire it up, and we're going to get going. Maybe we'll get a couple more hours in, you know, you never know.
Well, it ain't storming like you said it was going to.
Yeah. And it is getting a little gray, though. Just regular normal gray.
Yeah, no fun in that pig.
So that gold in there, Lester?
I'll hand it to you in a minute.
That's it. Let's see it up top. Now it's running down. Hey, look at that. 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. Look at it. Wow. This camera's awesome, Lester.
Man, when you dig in Pennsylvania for gold,
Oh,
you learn to be really careful.
I've been meaning to tell you. My friend Fred, remember my buddy I told you I sent him the sluice box?
Yeah.
He sent me a magic bit.
Magic bit.
Yeah, one of the magnets, and you put it on the bottom of the pan and you spin it,
Yeah, I know it is.
and it spins out the gold in the black sand. And I was thinking the first thing that popped in my head was Rock Bottom Creek.
Ah.
So we'll check that out, man. We'll do a vid on it.
Trying to clean this up. Tough to do out here.
I can see it, Lester. Nice little specks, too.
Yeah, they're not bad flakes.
Yeah.
See if I can get them to climb the pan and then you can see them better.
See that how he's tapping it, guys? That's how you get the gold to climb up the pan. Show him again, Lester. There we go. See that? Tap it up there. And then the gold goes up to the top. They're pretty nice sized flakes, but you can see that it's moving. You see that it's moving with the water, guys. Some of them get kind of boated and they'll float right out of the pan on you. You gotta be careful. Knock them bitches back down. Oh, we're having some fun out here. Let's clean that up. Now that I went and got some aspirin for my back, man, it's been hurting. I'm gonna start running that sluice over there, gold hogging. Hook that pump back up. We'll find us some more shiny. That's it. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Almost stepped off.
Oh my God.
Yeah, baby. Piece up there, piece there, flake there, some back in that black sand. Shiny. Hey, you, baby. That's what we're here for. Lester needs to take a break.
I damn sure do.
You might want to come up here and go sit in the truck for a minute. That's what I did. I feel a lot better.
I'm gonna get me some water. I'm fine sitting here as long as I keep myself hydrated.
All right,
I got
guys.
a bunch more stuff out of there. I got a bunch of that clay too.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna jump in here and get to it because Lester's like, yo, man, I'm doing all the work here. He said my mule's broken. Lester said my mule's broken. I'm sorry. I hurt my back yesterday. PA Patriot Prospecting out.